Welcome back. This is part 6 of our 7-video mini-series on the tutorials for Edmodo and how to navigate the student version. This video will focus on quizzes and notifications. It will pick up right off where we left off in part 5. So if you haven't watched that, part 5 was dealing with assignments. Some very useful tools are there, so go ahead and give it a look. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at your notification. We just finished submitting an assignment, and you'll see in your home screen right here where the bell is at the top right hand corner, you'll see a number with a red circle around it. That's how many notifications you have. Okay, and right here you can see that 5 minutes ago, okay, the teacher graded your assignment. You'll be able to see your grade and the comment. We call that, we just did the comment to the teacher, and now here we get to see the teacher's comments back to us, and you'll be able to view your grade here as well. Okay, now we're going to move on to quizzes. Okay, if your teacher assigns you a quiz, I know that I have assigned some self-check quizzes. Okay, the quizzes will actually show up on your post. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down to where the post is for the quiz, and then you're simply going to click on the icon or the button that says Take Quiz. You'll always see the instructions first. Okay, right here it tells you how many questions, what are the total points you can earn, and how long you have to complete the quiz. Okay, here are the due dates, okay, for the quizzes. To start, you click on Take Quiz, and you will go through the questions. Here are the questions. If it's multiple choice, select the option that is correct. Right here, I want to show you this on the top right hand corner. You have a timer. Okay, so that's how long you have left to complete the quiz. And it tells you how many questions you have answered. So for this one, it says 0 out of 18. We just started. We haven't selected any answers. You can click on the drop-down menu and it'll show you all of the other questions. Now, whenever this is in gray, that means it has not been answered. Okay, so I'm just going to select an option here, and then I'm going to press next. I'm going to show you this, going back up to the 1 of 18 answer, and you'll see that answer number 1 or question number 1 has already a selection, and it'll show green. That doesn't mean that it's right. It just means that you have selected an answer. Okay, and you go ahead through all of the questions. Okay, you can go as far ahead as you want. If you need to go back, you can. Okay, as long as it's within the time frame of the quiz, you can go back and forth. You know, you can even go to this drop-down menu and move to question 13 because you know that was a really tough question. You can go back and do that as well. Okay, so if I want to go back to question 1, I can click on the drop-down menu, select question 1, and it'll take me there. Okay, you don't have to just go next, 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 or previous, because that can take up some time. And if you have a short time frame to complete the quiz, you want as much time as possible dedicated to actually solving the question. Once you are finished, you can click on Submit Quiz. It will let you know how many questions you have left unanswered, okay? And you have the option to return to quiz as long as it's within the time frame. Or if you know that you want to go ahead and submit it, you can go ahead and submit. As soon as you submit the response, okay, it'll tell you right here your score, how many questions you got right or how many points you got right. Okay, and then you can review the quiz and see which ones you got incorrect. So all the ones in red are incorrect. You can go back to the question and it'll show you in green what is the correct answer. Okay, once you're ready, you can click close, and that's it. We just finished taking a quiz. And that's a wrap for part 6, quizzes and notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed it and are ready to watch the next video to finish our mini series. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.